How to connect Cricut Explore Air 2 to Bluetooth. Step 1. First ensure that the machine is powered on and within 10-15 feet of your computer. Step 2. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 3. Next click on Devices and turn on Bluetooth and you'll get a list of available devices. Step 4. If your device does not show up in the list, click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Step 5. Next select Bluetooth and your Cricut machine will show up on the list. Step 6. Click on your device, enter the PIN and click on Connect. Step 7. When you get the screen saying your device is ready to go, click Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.